All right, we did get started, but I'm going to show you why you go out prepared. I think I've mentioned in other videos that you always carry moleskin. We already got a heel rub problem on one of the compatriots here. And if you look, you can see it's already starting to rub maybe. Anyway, I'm going to show you what you do. You got your moleskin. We kind of figured out the size we need. And you cut out the spot where the actual blister is, because you don't want it on the blister. I made that a little big, but that might be about right. All you're doing is you're creating a cushion for this to keep your sock and your heel off of this, like the heel of your shoe. But I carry these pre-cut moleskin pieces, and then you just cut it to size. I made that a little bit big by accident, but it'll do the trick. Let's see. Get that dude on there. Throw your sock up, and should be good to go for the rest of the trip. Always, always, always have moleskin if you're gonna hike, because you never know when something's gonna break down in the heel of your shoe, and a little piece of, I've had little pieces of plastic start to come through, and it doesn't matter. Like, so moleskin is a must, and that's how you use it. That's moleskin for dummies, a la Wayward Son.